My name's Andrew Faulkner. I'm the CEO of Staley Technologies. We've been primarily a service organization, but the efforts we're in right now is rebranding and changing our strategy in a certain way from being just a service partner and a support partner for our customers and clients to giving them expert advice, being more of a consultant for our customers. The landscape for our customers is changing by the minute, and it's all being driven by technology. We're a turnkey solution provider. What that means is today our customers and our clients maybe have 2, 3, 4 different vendors for the different pieces of technology within their sites. Today we've got the entire suite of technology solutions that we can provide our clients, and we not only can deploy it but support it after deployment. With Staley Technologies, we can come in and provide the entire solution, the entire suite of products to the customer. So when something's not working correctly, they need support, we're just one call away for everything within the site.